Hello, everybody. This is Jim Cruz from Affiliated Technology Solutions. I want to welcome you to our today training session. The training session on today is going to be covering the WebPhone and the Snap HD Conference Bridge. These are both apps that are available to you within any of the portals. I am currently logged into a basic user web portal, as you can see here. But these apps, which are in a separate list up here at the top, are available to you through any of your portals if you're a call center agent or if you're a call center supervisor, as well as the basic user. So a soft phone is an app on this system. It actually turns your computer into your telephone, and it has a separate interface called Snap Mobile Web. If you drop down your app window, you're going to find there are four elements listed here. First of all, your user portal, the attendant console, which is a receptionist software, and then the two we're reviewing today would be the Snap Mobile Web and the Snap HD. Snap Mobile Web, again, is referred to as a soft phone, and this turns your computer through an interface into your physical phone. Obviously, it is recommended that you have a headset, USB headset plugged into your computer with a microphone. You log into your basic user or call center agent portal, then you click on Snap Mobile Web, and this launches the app. If you look up here at the top, the Snap Mobile Web opens as a separate application and pops open as this. This is your actual Snap Mobile Web or your soft phone. First thing you're looking for is up here on the upper right corner. You're going to see a little green phone that appears, and that's going to respond showing you that you are logged in. If you see an orange or a red dot up here, it's usually going to give you an error message like it doesn't detect a microphone or any other elements needed for the soft phone to operate. So then all you would have to do is address the hardware issue. But again, you're looking for a green dot saying hardware is compatible. The soft phone is logged in and ready to start receiving and making phone calls. All of it is based on this little orange button down here at the bottom. When you click on the plus button, it opens up three elements that gives you connectivity and gives you all the functions on the system. The first button is a little dial pad called New Call. When you click on that, it opens up a window that looks just like this. And this becomes your dial pad. Again, everything you can do on the phone, you can also do within the dial pad itself. So this allows you basically to go ahead and make phone calls and take phone calls as needed. So again, you're also going to see up here, basically, this is where you would enter the phone number using this or the keypad on your computer. And as you start to type numbers into here, you're going to see that this button turns green, and this becomes your dial pad option. So if you're dialing a number that you've never dialed before, then you need to dial the whole 10-digit number here, click the green button, and it'll make the phone call. But what you're going to find up in here is it's going to match any contacts that you have, matching the number you've dialed. So if you dial 505 as an area code, then basically here it's going to give you that match. It's going to match from your contacts list, and it's going to match from your call history. So if you get a match, then to make the phone call, you can either complete dial the number, press the green button, or if you find a match, you can simply click on the match as a shortcut. So when you click on your shortcut, it's actually making the call for you. So you'll see the calling button here, you'll see the caller ID, and once you connect with this person, hi, Rebecca, can you just hang up? I'm doing a test call for training. Thank you. Appreciate it. So once she hangs up, then that call is done and it's gone. I'm going to pick somebody else here because I didn't expect Rebecca to answer. But again, we can make the call from here. And again, hopefully this person won't answer. But when you go into here, you're going to find, again, this is your active call window. And when it goes to the active call, you'll see a little timer that's connected here and basically is connecting you to the call. While you're on the call, you're going to find a mute button, a hold button, a dial pad, a transfer button, add call, switch phone, and contacts. When you are completely done with the phone call, and we're making this test phone call to Centria here, which is a member of our team, then when you're done with the phone call, you click the red button and that disconnects the phone call. So again, that is where you take and make phone calls. Now that same blue window is going to pop up for you if it's an incoming call. So you'll see the red, the blue screen, and the button will be green down on the bottom, and that's an incoming call. You're going to hear a little tone in your ear on your headset, and you click the green button to answer the phone. So when you're done with that phone call, again, you can hang up and it'll close the window, and that's how you take and receive phone calls on your system. The second thing we have in here is a new conversation button. So from here, you're going to be able to do a chat function just like you do within the portal or the app. Again, you select somebody you want to have a chat with, and again, you go ahead and proceed with the chat, and you're done performing a chat function through your soft phone. The last one is what we call the summary card, and this just gives you links. So as you log into here, you're going to find new voice messages, missed calls, and unread conversations. So all you have to do is click on one of these, and it'll take you to the associated link, which is over here on the left. So this whole gray part of the screen is your active call log, and again, you complete phone calls from this new call button down here. Over here on this side, you're going to find all the same links that you find within the basic user and call center agent web portal. So first thing you're going to see is we're going to provide your contacts for you. So all the contacts are the system listed here. You're going to be able to see green dot, gray dot, red dot status, even Peter here who is on do not disturb. So you'll be able to see if they're on the phone or if they're off the phone. You're also going to see the blue dot like we see in the basic user or the call center agent portal, where now you can see if their portal is open or not. But within the contact itself, you can go ahead and click on the contact, and we're going to show you here a link to be able to call this person, chat with this person, the added video FaceTime feature, even the email address of that contact as well. So we give you a lot of information in the contacts tab for each of your contacts. Your contacts can be sorted by all, favorites, coworkers, or even the My Contacts, which you can set up through your basic portal. You can even add contacts from the soft phone by clicking on the little plus sign right here. This opens up this window, and now you can create your own contacts and again, add those to any of the contact list separates that you have. All your call history is documented here. So all the phone calls that you make will be documented. You can sort your calls by all, missed, inbound or outbound calls. And again, these become links for you to be able to click on. You click on the link, and that basically makes the phone call for you. So all of your call history is listed here as well. Voicemail delivery is done through here as well. So on my portal, I have 3 new voice messages. And again, your messages you can sort by new, saved, or deleted or trash folder messages. But from here, we give you the ability to be able to listen to the message and then pause the message and then go from there to manage all of your voice messages as needed. Chat function is listed here. Any of the chats that you receive or send will be listed here. And again, you can manage those. We have an answering rules window, which gives you some additional functionality based on how many devices are logged into your extension. So again, on this system, you can have multiple devices, a physical phone, the soft phone, which we're looking at in this training session, and you can even have the mobile app. And if you have more than one device registered to the system, then you can go in here and you'll see a secondary option, which says simultaneously ring all my phones. But if you only have one device logged in, as this soft phone is, then it's going to default to just sending your calls from the soft phone. Your greetings, you can manage all your greetings from here as well. You can click the plus sign and you can create greetings from this window. There's a settings button which gives you some basic information here. And then at the end of the day, this is your logout button. So the advantage of the Snap Mobile Web, again, it gives you the ability to make and take phone calls from your computer. You can, again, get to from any website, from any computer that has an internet connection. You can get to this portal. As long as you can get to the portal and the hardware is compatible, you can open your Snap Mobile Web and manage your entire phone call of the days from right there. So this is the Snap Mobile Web. Recapping, you get into your basic portal, you go into apps, you launch the Snap Mobile Web, and then right up here, you'll see the Snap Mobile Web option. Again, when you're done at the end of the day, you can close your Snap Mobile Web and again, log back in through here. So that is your soft phone, and that's one of the apps that are available to you. The second app that's available is called Snap HD. Snap HD is, again, a separate window, a separate app that opens up that allows you to create meetings for your company, for your extension. So what you would do is you would click on schedule a meeting, and you can see there's other options in here once you get meetings scheduled, but you schedule a meeting by clicking on schedule a meeting. It opens up this window here, and from here you can go in and create a meeting for all your teammates to be able to join. It's a conference bridge, and it has video capabilities, just audio capabilities, and it even has the ability to even record the meetings and manage any meeting you want. So this would be a Zoom equivalent, if you will, but it's done within your phone system. So you would go in here and you would give it a name and a description. Again, you don't have to give it a name, but for the sake of organization, I recommend giving it a name like a tech meeting, a call center agent meeting, company meeting. Give it a name so you're organized. Then you select the date that you want the meeting to occur, the time zone, and then the duration of the meeting is documented here. And then basically, I would go a little long on this one just to secure your spot so you don't have other meetings running potentially at the same time. You can, but then there's limited resources on the system. So you can only have a certain number of users within based on the type of meeting you set up. Again, you can set this to be daily, weekly, monthly, reoccurring, or just a single meeting as well. The resources are listed here. You can have a conference for up to 25 members over video with one conference. Or if you need to have up to 200 viewers, you can host a webinar. Now, the difference between the two is the conference is interactive. You can see the video, you can communicate back and forth, everybody can hear everybody else. On a webinar, it is a presentation only. There is no vocal interaction. They can see your screen and you would do a presentation, but within the webinar, there's also a chat window that you can utilize that'll allow you to chat with whoever's on your call at that point. So two different conference types here. And then down below here for video and audio, you have basically some restrictions and some other items that you can do, including record the meeting. So again, right over here would be the join information to the meeting. You can invite specific people, or you can just click save, and then this will send you an email as the organizer, and then you would produce this information to them. So there would be a unique meeting ID number. It would be the actual portal link that they can click on to join the meeting, and then a dial-in phone number, which would be presented, and that would be the number they call in to join your meeting. Again, down here, you can invite specifics if you want to, but most of the time when I'm using this, I just copy the information and email it through our email system, the actual meeting itself. So again, this is where you would set up a meeting. Then after the meeting, your meetings will be listed here as options for you to be able to join. So also, it gives you the opportunity to view all your past meetings. So when you click on that, it will show you all the past meetings that you can see here. And again, it'll list for you the date and time of the meeting, the pertinent meeting information. And then from here is where you can retrieve your meetings, recordings, attendee list, even the chat list if you wanted to document that. So from here, it's going to show you past meetings or upcoming meetings as well. So as we go back from here, again, that's past meetings. You also have the opportunity to create meeting rooms. This would be listed in this column as a room. And from the room, you can create a specific meeting room, which will be a permanent assignment. So that would be a room like if you have a consistent meeting every Tuesday for the sales department, you could have the same conference information be reoccurring every time you need it. And that's a room that they would call in or join at any time. So again, down in here, we've got some additional information for you. If you hover over any of the question marks, it's going to show you some basic additional information. Webinar question mark is here. Conference question mark is here. And again, if you've got any questions regarding how to use the Snap HD, just let us know. But again, some basic functions for your Snap HD webinar, and that basically is how you use it. Again, this is one of the apps that are available to you here at the top. Snap Mobile Web is your soft phone. Snap HD is your conference bridge. So I want to thank you for joining our training session here today, just by popping up our training website. And again, you're able to go in here and attend any of our scheduled sessions, as you can see here. Or for your team and anybody else on the system, again, we have our training videos listed in here. So you can go in and watch the video self-paced and basically share it with your team, review it for yourself, but these videos will be kept up to date, and eventually we should have a few more on here. So here is your training library and your sign up for future videos. So again, we want to thank you for joining our training session today. Again, any other information that we can assist you with, please feel free to reach out to us at our normal customer service and technical support number, which is listed here for all of our family of companies. Customer service and technical support is available 8 to 8 live on the East Coast. After that, it does go to an answering service, but we do have a tech on duty 24/7, 365, and our customer service and tech support number are right here. So again, thank you for your time. Good luck with your new system, and if there's anything else we can do to assist, please let us know. Thank you.